Hi from Laundry Talk. Today's video is an extreme clean with me video of this refrigerator. There are so many things that I have to go through. Not necessarily because they're expired, but because I'm no longer going to be using them. I'm trying to eat a little healthier and feed my family a little healthier things. So a lot of this stuff is like gonna go. And also, in the last couple of days, I don't know what is going on with my clumsiness, but I have been like knocking things over and there are some spills. You will see in a moment. And so let's go. Let's clean this fridge. Let's get it going. I want you guys to get motivated and get your things done as well. So let's get started. Now that we got the door done, let's continue getting everything else out of the fridge, and stay tuned because you're going to see a guest appearance very soon from someone very special. That white box is my Nana's birthday cake. Well, whatever's left over from her birthday cake. Normally when I clean my fridge, I take off all the shelves. I just leave it all bare, clean everything on the outside before putting it back in, just go straight to it. However, this time around, I did a pre-cleaning, so I'm going to clean like most of the more sticky, more hard to take off things inside the fridge before I take out the shelves. And now for that special guest appearance, as I mentioned a moment ago, get ready. Out of all the things that she has to play with, she loves to help me clean. And I feel that allowing children to help do real life things in real life is the best thing you can do for them.